Yes. Good morning, my peeps. So, my first run, I'm going to, we call it a place called Dogwood Grove. That's where I'm going, and I am, it's called Statesville. Yeah, Statesville, North Carolina. It's like probably about from Harrisburg, maybe 47 or probably 30 something minutes away. So I'm trying to knock that out, come back, got another run for we call it now Mooresville. So who knows, but this is just like 45,000 pounds. It's pretty decent, a pretty decent load. Not gonna complain, I'm just gonna knock it out. So my truck is ready. Yeah, properly strapped down. And secure. Load is properly strapped down and secure. Ready to knock this out. Hopefully we can knock this out. Yeah. Hopefully. Yep. So we're about to jump in the truck and get this load going. Alright? Yeah, the rain. It's raining. Just finished that first run, going back to the yard. So hopefully we can knock this out. Knock out a second run. Gotta come back this way because we're going to Mooresville. Look at the traffic. Traffic not too bad at all. Come on, people, come on. Don't start something.
Even if you don't get the dream, you become such a strong and powerful person. It will so change your life, you can look at something else and say, well, I think I'll go do this then. Because you've now developed yourself in such confidence and such competence in how to deal in the arena of life that you can move into another area and not miss a beat. Once you begin to discover who you are, then you will really realize how you have been given authority and dominion over everything on the face of the earth, including all the dimensions of your life. But you can only do that through the struggle of life. And most people avoid the struggle. Most people go through life avoiding pain. And when you go through life like that, something in you dies. Something in you that you never activate is lying dormant in there, that you never get a chance to call on because you have not challenged yourself. Somebody said the land of familiarity belongs to the dead. That most people like to feel like they're king in the area of their comfort zone. They only want to do those things that they know how to do well. Osborne said, unless you attempt to do something beyond that which you've already mastered, you will never grow. So if you want to begin to grow, you've got to put something out here that you can't reach easily, that has got to make you stretch, got to make you jump for it, got to make you get back a little bit and dig in so that you can take a leap for it. And maybe you jump up there and you miss it and you extend your knees and you come back again and you bust your lip next time. But you keep on, and through that process, you learn how to leap higher. You start challenging yourself to dig deeper, and then you discover some things about you that you don't know right now. Some talents that you have in you that you didn't know that you can do. I started out just talking to kids, and now I'm speaking at corporations. Now I'm traveling. I didn't know I can do this, but had I not given myself a chance, and I'm saying to you, give yourself a chance. Here's something else. If you want to begin to make your stuff happen for you, I think that it's very important that you start trusting yourself.
True.
Listen to yourself.
True.
Listen to that still small voice within you.
True.
Don't try and make everything logical. There's some things about life that defies logic, that you just can't explain how the outcome is going to be. That once you begin to trust yourself and your ideas and your instincts, life takes on a whole new meaning, because now I want you to do that feeling that you are led. Just feel, I am led. I remember the worst speech I had ever given in my life. I led someone.
Well, we're back at the yard. So we're going to knock out this one. Going back down to Morrisville. Yeah. See what we can do. So, second run is some, what we call it now, I-joist. Or I-joist. And then you got Greg in there in the truck. Greg is in his truck. I don't know what Greg doing. Greg eating some Pop-Tart or something. What's your problem, man? See? Pop-Tart.
I may not be a smart man, but I know when something's fucked up when I see it.
Listen, because you can put all those together, you know, but
Now, I'm just going to go ahead and put this out here. I'm going to put this out there.
Yeah.
That on your way,
Yeah.
you'll need to stop at least one more time, minimum.
I know.
For a little check, because you're going to have some floppy flop.
Yeah, definitely. Because it's
One
gonna.
bump, you going to get out of this neighborhood. You pull down there to the stop sign. Trust the Gordon's fishermen.
Greg is on some.
Strumming my pain with his finger.
Hey, don't do drugs, okay? Don't do drugs.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to This Is What Your Brain Does on Drugs.
Don't do drugs, okay?
On today's episode, you'll look like me.
Don't do drugs. Crazy.
Crazy. Crazy for feeling so lonely. Any other keyword? All words bring up songs. My brain is just a mass of songs. Just say a word.
Okay, you're on hard drive, huh?
It's the hard knock life.
All right, Chris.
Ooh, bastard! Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Pay me what you owe me. Don't act like you forgot.
Listen, I ain't fooling with you, man. I'm gone, man. I'm gone. I'm leaving.
Leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again.
Yeah? What you gotta do? You ain't gonna strap your truck up, huh? The trailer
Oh, I'm strapped all right, brother.
They say you're strapped. Huh?
Don't forget your paper, man.
No, that's ain't my paper.
It's not your paper, man?
Nah, it's not my paper. My paper is in the truck already. Yeah. So, oh well.
I believe I can fly.
Come on, man, you're singing. See that, you know? Why you walking away? We got karaoke.
You gotta give me a song.
Give you a song? I don't know. Just sing some random song.
I don't know, but I've been told Dan's got a big asshole. Beep. This is like rain and traffic. Just this is like you gotta go slow. Don't want to go too fast because you don't know what's up there waiting at you. You have to be careful how you like change lanes and stuff like that because it's raining and this can't stop so easily, so you have to know what to do. You can look and see. It's pretty raining. Traffic. It's not going that good. Trust and believe me, I know that for sure. For sure. Be careful how you change lanes. They always say that when it rains, you drive in the tractor trailer. Go 5 below your speed limit. And we have some people that don't know how to drive, so you still want to speed. Don't make no sense at all, your speed. It make no sense at all, your speed. It's not going nowhere at all, so slow down, take it down. I need to drop this load over there, and look, it's raining. It's raining. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but oh well. It's raining. We're about to go out there and see what it's gonna be like. See? It's raining. We got this to drop. All this ice. We're gonna drop it over there. But wow. It's like a fighting traffic and rain at the same time. But we're gonna get it done. Yeah. Yes. We have much to give thanks, you know. Much to give thanks. And you know, we're here coming to the end of our video. We're gonna close this video and close it proper. It was rainy, you know, a little bit rainy, and then traffic, you know, pretty much that's how sometimes when you drive on, what do you call it, 77, or you know, you go on 77 going towards Statesville, Mooresville side. That's what happened. But I have a little intro to play. I'm gonna let you guys hear it. I'm working on it, you know? I'll work on it to be my intro. Hear it.
The great day. 876. A little motivation and inspiration, so you could be a better you. A little motivation and inspiration, so you can make it true. Great day. 876. The great day.
Big tune. Yeah. Big tune. You see it. Definitely. You know, I want to give thanks to the singer. See me? Singer do a good job, not lie. See it? Yeah. Big up yourself, King Pamels. Alright.
This is my motivation. You know, I always have a little motivation when I'm doing my videos or ending my video or something to that. Only I can change my life. No one can change it for me. So if you decide to change your life, only you alone can change it. God up above, with God in everything that you do, put him first. Every single thing that you do, put God first. Put him, include him in every single thing that you do. He's the one that is going to make it possible. So give thanks. So like, share, and subscribe. Please hit that notification bell. So when I post a video, you're the first to get this video. So I'm just saying, please, I'm asking, I need the support. Need this support. We're going to just come with some contents after contents. And once the moment I pick up my camera, you know how that goes. I'm just going to do this for you. Okay? So I'm just telling you, thank you all for watching. May the good Lord bless you and continue. Okay? See you soon.